Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Xtreme 1 first generation OG wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not working, like it's not connecting to your phone, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or it's not responding, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, if you decide you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to the speaker that I have and that I like a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to, for whatever reason, clear out all of the pairing history, all of the settings, so you can basically set this speaker up as a brand new device. It's really easy to do. We just need to first of all have the speaker turned on. Once the speaker is turned on, we're just going to find this volume up button and play button and hold both of them simultaneously for more than 3 seconds. After those 3 seconds or so, the speaker will automatically turn off and then reboot into its factory default settings. We can go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new speaker.